Okay, say Mississippi.
Mississippi.
Say perfect nougat.
Oh, eto na ayaw mo? Bakit ayaw mo?
Papanugar.
Ha? Okay, bibingka.
Bibingka.
Sapin-sapin.
Ambin the par.
Pandesal.
Pandesal.
Monay.
Munar.
Kalamansi.
Kamandasi.
Bayabas.
Bayabar.
Philippines.
Pipar.
Manila.
Say hello.
Manila.
Okay, Isa.
Isa. Tayo mo tatlo apa ni maani biwan uliandam.
Yay.
Okay, Uno.
Ano din ka sa single guys? Sito oda mama de.
Yay. No yelling. A, B, C,
C D E F G H I J K L M N P Q R S U V W X Y and Z.
Excellent. Okay, what's your name?
Kusmano Ogi Segayen.
Yay.
How old are you?
2.5.
Where do you live?
A moment.
Long Beach.
How you
Yay.
spell your name?
C-R-U-T.
Yay. How much do you weigh?
32 pounds.
Okay. Can you say pandibunete?
Pandibonatar.
One. English, one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then.
Japanese, shan, sanhe.
Something about each one.
Ne.
Ne.
So what's the name of your mommy?
What's the name of your Lola? Julie?
Hey, come back here. I'm gonna ask you a question. Come here.
End of interview.